Good morning, everybody. Got something a little different here today. This is a 1966 Dodge Charger, and this car is a little bit special because it is a factory 426 Hemi car. This was the original color. I've got the Chrysler hubcaps for it. The car is overall really solid. Looks like it's got a lot of the original paint still on the car. It was this factory yellow color. It's an automatic, and 66, I think they made 468 cars with the 426 Hemi, and they were kind of 200 and some were automatics. This car is actually in really good condition. It's very solid underneath. It's got all the factory Hemi body specs, like the rear torque boxes in front of the springs. It's got the pinion snubber above where the drive shaft meets your rear axle. Those were different on the body for the Hemi cars. Very unique car. Interior's in good shape. I've got some extra parts for it. There it is, XP29H. H is the Hemi engine code designation. The interior is actually in really good shape. The headliner's in really good shape. The rear seats. Interior lights work. Seats fold down. Show you inside the trunk. Then we'll get to the good stuff. Okay, so as you can see, the trunk lid's really solid around your trunk. Inside the trunk is really solid. Trunk floors, even down here where the spare tire goes, no rust through. As you can see, a lot of the paint, it's been painted, but a lot of the paint on in the jams and stuff still original. Show you this side of the interior. All the doors open and shut real good. Glass. There's no rust in the door jambs. Seats are in great shape. Car's got disc brakes. Let me get this hood open. And there it is. The date code on the motor, the stamp was 5/29/66. Got the correct Hemi radiator. The bracket's been relocated to the fender. 2.4 intake. Right now it's got Edelbrock carburetors on it, but I've got the original Carter AFB carburetors. It's had a new alternator put on it, and the distributor's been upgraded to the power pack, the electronic. Start this up. Car runs really good, runs and drives good. try to do it without giving it no gas. Fired right up. It's about 20 degrees here, so you're just seeing steam. It's a really cool car. I kind of like the black steel wheels on it. Got new tires, newer tires. Little exhaust leak on the driver's passenger side. That's a big engine. If I can get to the linkage. Do it from the inside. Car's got a lot of power. Really cool car. 426 Hemi, 66 Charger. They only made 400 and some total, 200 and some were automatics. All the doors and everything shut good. The body's in great shape, even underneath. Like I said, it's got all the factory Hemi body characteristics, the torque boxes in the rear, the correct pinion snubber.